So this is the front coves at Mount Sinai, and we have LED replacements. Hold on.
Whole action.
The adjacent fixture lamp is working, and that is dimmable. We're going to take that out, and we're going to move it over to the fixture here that allegedly does not work. And it still does not work. Okay? Okay, go ahead. So now we are taking the LED lamp that did work in the adjacent fixture, and we're going to put in a brand new fluorescent lamp, one of the original fluorescent lamps, and presto, it does work. So that's the same lamp. So we're going to take that lamp out, and we're going to take that fluorescent lamp out.
Oh, we're taking the
fluorescent lamp out, and we're going to put in the LED lamp that was right next to it. I'm doing this in real time so we can see that we're not cheating. And that was the LED lamp that you saw that was lit, and now it is not working. Okay, so now that's it.